did work. This job did sell, and the page is kind of wrinkled because I actually used this to design the feature. I actually used this to put together the rocks and shape them out when we're building something. So you have to be able to do something with a pencil first to establish where your rocks are going to go, the size. See, these little guys are good. You want to have little ones and big ones mixed in your design. You don't want everything to be the same. Lateral angles, rocks tend to have a stratification line a lot of times, so there's lines and angles that need to be adhered to. And you can see how this design is really simple. I mean, I basically just take a picture of the site and then I draw in what we're going to do. There's some videos I have on there that show how to do that. So, how to make a fake rock, how to make a fake rock job. This is one way. Cool. And and then be the waterfall. So basic, real fundamental stuff, real fundamental basic stuff. So anyway, I've got more information like this. We got free PDF downloads. You just go to my website, davehenderson.podia.com. Here again is that job we did before. Came out pretty darn cool. Trying to make things look different. We got a split waterfall instead of just one. If you want to get more information, you can get it here at my website. If I get my computer to work, because it's so slow, because we're all online. This is where I've got stuff you can get. I've got free stuff. Got my audiobook right there, Making Rocks, and of course, how to sell more jobs using your personality and pencils, which is kind of fun. And Making Rocks ebook. That's the book I wrote a year and a half ago or so, and it's got tons of stuff in there. It's just $25. We got all about concrete slides if you want to learn how to do that. Got fake rock waterproofing strategies. That's a free download. Just go to davehenderson.podia.com and you can download that for free. Waving at you. Hey, hello, Matt. What's happening? Hanging out on a rainy day here in Southern Cal when we're all being stuck inside. 5 keys to making effective fake rock, or 5 keys to effective fake rock construction. That's a real great. That's free. It's also free. This is also free download. Shotcrete, just the facts, pictures, and processes. It's an 18-page mini little booklet on shotcrete. I just put together things I've learned from doing shotcrete for all these years. This is a cool video on how to prepare for shotcrete. It shows all the details involved in this really cool grotto slide job that I did up in Ramona, California. And we've got how to paint fake rock basics. This gives you a basic initial starting point for doing fake rock painting, and that's an art big time all by itself. So lots of free stuff there you can grab. And hope you go there, davehenderson.podia.com. Want to try and help you guys out if you're trying to make fake rocks and stuff. Hope you can see me in the reflection there, but hope you had a good time this morning doing a little bit of live how to make fake rock stuff. And so hope you have a great day. Stay safe. Use the wash your hands and use your hand sanitizers and all that good stuff, right? So, all right, we're going to move on. So thanks for checking out this how-to video on how to make fake rocks. So we will see you next time. Mr. Dave signing off. Ciao. Bye.